Hey guys, welcome to my channel where today I'm going to show you a sleek and easy way to install a dash cam on your Subaru Forester. For today's installation, we're going to need the following tools: a plastic trim removal tool, Tandem Technologies 5-pin adapter for Subaru, a dash cam, a Phillips head screwdriver, and of course, a Subaru. Let's go. Unlike the usual setup behind the rearview mirror, let's shift our focus to the overhead console here. What we want to do first is remove this trim piece. This thing's held in place by some tabs, so I'm going to use the trim removal tool for this. Doesn't really take much. Pry it down gently and you should be able to pop it off by hand. Once this piece is removed, you'll see the following two screws. Let's undo this using the Phillips head screwdriver. These will fall straight down once loose, so be ready to catch them and put them in your cup holder or something. Now, let's pry down this console. Stick your fingers in the space here and gently pull down and towards you. This will pry the entire assembly off. Do not yank it down as it's connected and held up by a series of wires. Just kind of let it dangle to the side and we can continue our installation. There's a whole lot of connections we see here, but we don't need to touch any of these. The one we're looking for is this guy right here. It's held in place by a tab as well, but I'm not going to bother removing this. I can actually just reach in and unclip the connector. That said, it is a bit challenging to do this with one hand, so I'll go ahead and unclip this off camera and install the adapter. You can see here how I've plugged this in. When installing, make sure everything clicks into place. Before we assemble everything, let me just power on the vehicle and make sure the unit is receiving power. A blue LED should light up. This means we're good to go. Let's move on to installing the dash cam. There's a small gap in the plastic shroud that you can route the cable through. I'm going to feed it in this way and connect the USB end into the Tandem Technologies USB port. Once I've done this, I'm going to tuck away the cables nicely and start assembling the overhead console. Pretty much reverse steps here. So line up your hinges and push up until you feel it secure into place, after which we'll reinstall the two screws and finally the plastic cover. Before you install the dash cam, find a spot that best captures footage without obstructing your view. I'm going to wipe down the surface here and attach my camera to the windshield. And just like that, the dash cam is ready to go. This is honestly one of the cleanest setups in the market today. So check out Tandem Technologies and be sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful and consider subscribing for more automotive content like this. Peace!